Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to use built-in flashlight widget on Samsung Galaxy S25. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.
It's not a game, it's a